What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. All right, we're gonna take this cover off. We have this nice light that we can see a lot better under the hood. We sell this at 1AAuto.com. Hooks right onto the hood. Open this up. Lift this cover. This should slide out. Just like that, just slides forward. And we can grab this cabin filter, slide it out. Take the filter, we're gonna slide it in with the curved side towards the vehicle, so the bowed side more towards the out of the vehicle. Just slide that in position, like that. We'll take this cover, it's gonna just slide in underneath this weather stripping. Just push it in. Get these lock tabs to line up and lock them down. They're spring loaded. And the last one. And you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.